Welcome back users to our channel. So in today's video we will see how to refresh the gnome store database or the gnome store cache in Opensuse. So for that you open the terminal in your Opensuse desktop and type the command sudo rpm space double dash rebuild database. Then input your sudo password. After that again second command is sudo zyper space dash triple v reference space dash f. Verbosity level will be 3 and enter. So after this executing these two commands, your gnome store database will be rebuilt by the system automatically. You have to reboot and then check your gnome store whether the database has been rebuild or not, because why we require this data rebuild, database rebuild. So what happens is sometimes the database gets corrupted, then the gnome store will start showing you wrong data, like say some packages will be installed but it will not show them as installed, or if you try to search for some packages it will not show the package like this. So for that you have to refresh your gnome store. Sometimes it what will happen is, if you are after installation also, the gnome store will continue to show that the package has been still installed. So this kind of errors can be removed using the rebuild database command from the terminal. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our videos, give us suggestions to make videos on newer topics. Thank you very much. See you again soon. Bye.